10 simple ways to lower your grocery bill. I've been cooking real food for 12 years, and with 2 growing kids in the house, I'm always looking for ways to eat well and spend less. Tip number 2 is to learn how to cook eggs and stretch them throughout the week in a variety of different ways. This way, you'll never get bored of eggs. Now, eggs are a true superfood, and for just $3 to $9 a dozen, depending on the quality that you buy, you can stretch this high-quality protein source out for the entire week. 5 easy ways to stretch those eggs throughout the week so that you never get bored of them. Scrambled eggs. Just eggs, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of butter produces the best. If you're short on time, this is the way to go. Make a dozen omelet cups, stick them in the fridge, and breakfast will always be ready. Eggs in a basket, my kid's favorite. Just bread with a hole cut through the center with an egg cooked inside. A classic egg and cheese omelet takes just 5 minutes to make in the morning and is so delicious. Not fancy at all, even though it sounds like it. And egg and cheese burritos. Just egg, cheese, and if you want to add sausage and veggies, roll them up in a tortilla, stick them in the freezer, and you'll always have breakfast, lunch, or breakfast for dinner ready to go. And stretch those eggs into dinner by making classic fried rice in the Instant Pot or the stove. Pick up a dozen eggs this week and stretch them throughout the week to get a fantastic source of protein and fat. Stay satiated and stretch it out.
Ooh, that's fun stuff.